Yesterday we turned up at Elim Beach Campground. Camped under here. It was a miserable day yesterday. Bit of rain, yucky day, so I guess we got a good spot. I'll tell you what, the showers last night. Cold showers, no light, but still a good camp place. But there's plenty of camping area here. I guess it's the sort of end of the season. It's a pretty nice sort of area. There's plenty of room. I don't know what it's like in peak season, but at the moment there's no one here.
We rolled out again, just Lord and me, and the old lady series still running free. 6,500 clicks ahead. Roof tin on top and paper maps to guide. The sun was burning, the flies took flight. Maps on the dash, no phone in sight. We chased the red.
I'm gonna throw her a stick up there.
Yeah.
You ready? Hit it. That's it. Good girl. Good girl.
Chased our dreams north to where the wild heart gleams. From Palm Creek to Gunshot, we took
Secret
it.
entrance to the coloured sands. Look at it, I guess.
Cypress rush and Nolan's flow through sweat and
There's
smiles.
very nice red sands up in here and a good lookout if you can get to the top. We might get a little bit wet today.
Gave your dream and we wanted more, from the southern fields to the northern shore.
Wow.
Have a look at this. How beautiful is that?
We found ourselves and a little bit more.
Look at them little rocks, like the shapes of them rocks there.
Yeah, very
That's just
soft.
the hand the way it's
Yeah.
formed. Beautiful, isn't it? Old mate and Molly going up there. Put in four-wheel drive, mate.
Look at that.
Yeah, hang on, I'm getting up there.
Wow.
You can go right to the top, but I don't know the way there.
Front diff busted, alternator fried.
Looks like a tree or something's been in there, doesn't it? No, it just looks like a old tree or something sort of grown there, but just the water washing it away, erosion.
Fixed it all with a toolkit and pride. Miles and miles of
Oh, it's starting to pour down rain. We're on the top of this lovely place. Righto, we just made it up to Elim Beach Coloured Sands, I guess, up in this little canyon. There's a sneaky little track down on the beach. Just go through a couple of trees. There's a drain coming out onto the beach. And if you can, try and get up here, I guess. It's a magical spot. Even though we haven't got the best of weather, it's still a beautiful place. But yeah, the sun's just come out for a couple of seconds. It was pouring rain a second ago. We've made it. Beautiful. Recommend getting here.
corrugated roads. Rattled our teeth and shook our loads. Met some
We made it.
We made it.
All right, put your life on the line and get down that 1.5 foot drop.
Bottom up.
You made it. You're gonna run down the hill
Okay.
and end up on your face.
Too easy. Coming, darling.
I think the rain's coming again.
All right, hurry up.
along the tracks. They had our backs when the path turned black. Fruit bat falls, cool and clear. Twin and Elliot, we
It's a shame some idiots put their names on everything.
Yeah.
from Palm Creek to Gunshot. We took it slow.
secret track.
Secret track. You just check for crocodiles on the way out.
Cypress Bridge, you know lands flow.
No sign.
There's no signs, no. No. I'll show people where it is anyway. So, the grain there, you got to look for that one. Look in the tree.
In the tree, yeah, between the tree.
The caravan park not too far away.
Through sweat and smiles, that engine roared. Cape York dreaming, we wanted more. From the southern fields to the northern shore, we found ourselves and a little bit more. And at the sign where the land runs out, we laugh and dance, no room for doubt. Spider-Man and Supergirl in the sun, two fools in love, the journey's done. Crocs in the river, turtles in the sand, fishing lines cast by steady hands. 6,500 clicks of soul. Cape York filled our hearts and made us whole. From Palm Creek to Gunshot, we took it slow. Cypress Bridge, no lands flow. The old girl grown, but she still sore. Cape York dreaming forevermore. From the southern fields to the northern shore, we found our story. That's what we drove for. So here's to the dust,
one
the
day, I
heat
guess.
that flies, the starlit nights and the endless skies just slaughtering me. And the old 80s song, Cape York dreaming, where we belong.
I'll see when we get up there. It might be too windy when we get over this little bit of a crest.
Keep coming.
Let me
Go.
know when I go too far.
Going. Bit more.
Okay, so we made it to the top of Cape Bedford. If you have a good four-wheel drive, it's not that hard to get here. It's a bit steep and not much room for turning around at the top of the cliff face. It's a long way down to the bottom. If you have the time, I highly recommend coming here.
Scary bit.
Hope we don't jump out of gear.
Take it easy, okay?
Yeah, it's not that bad. Nice view, isn't it?
Yeah, very high.
Imagine what it's like on a beautiful day.
We rolled out again, just Lord and me. And the old lady series still running free. 6,500 clicks ahead. Roof tin on top and paper maps to guide. The sun was burning, the flies took flight. Maps on the dash, no phone in sight. We chased the red dust, chased our dreams.
Wow, here we go. not too hard. It's just long and just keeps going, and we'll see what's at the top. Wow. Once you get to the top of this hill, there's a little car down there that we followed, and it takes you down the other side of the headland and takes you up the other beach.
North to where the wild heart gleams. From Palm Creek to Gunshot, we took it slow. Cypress Drugs and Nolan's flow. Through sweat and smiles, that engine roared. Cape York dream.
Righto, we're back at Elim Beach. Today was probably one of the best days we've had. Like it was a bit rainy to start off with, but my God, it turned out to be an awesome day. We went up the beach first, and we got to the little canyon up there of the coloured sands. Got up to the top, it was just magic. The sun came out just in time. Magic little spot, but you got to find the entrance to it. It's a little bit hard to find. And then from there we went up, we tried to find Cape Bedford. Got it. And yeah, good little drive up through there, a bit soft in places, but yeah, drove along the beach, and there was a big yacht there that was sort of washed up. I don't know why, but surrounded by police tape and whatnot, so I know it's there. And then we drove up that Cape Bedford. I love going up there. Very steep but very windy. We lost a little bit of footage actually, but it was all right. And then we came back down and we drove all the way along the beach. Just kept going to another headland, and you can drive up over the headland and back down the other side, or you can drive actually around the headland at low tide. I kind of did both. I went up one side and come back down the same side, and then we drove around with another mate, Joss, and the dog, Molly. And then we drove down along the beach like as far as we could, and I have no idea where we were. My maps just didn't bring it up, but yeah, just a great drive. Fantastic day today. But we're back at Elim Beach, and probably tomorrow morning we'll wake up and all the coloured sands out to our right, or my right, they'll look awesome again. But doesn't look like much rain around at the moment, so hopefully tomorrow's a better day. Go down.
And we got a best camping spot at the Elim Beach today. And in the morning when you get up, you can see a colorful sand pad over there.
Yeah, it'll be bloody awesome.
Awesome spot. Number one. Have to be number one.
Get number one.
Yeah, but you have to pay a bit extra for the beach side. $40.
We camped under the tin shed. It was $30 a night.
Yeah,
and then we
but
got the beachfront. It's $40 a night.
$40 a night. But
I think it's worth the extra $10.
yeah, it's worth it. Look how beautiful.
Anyway, we'll see what happens tomorrow morning.
Yeah,
It'll be beautiful.
hopefully no crocodile. I'll put you out first.
Righto, time to shower.
Yeah, okay. Bye, let's go.
We really enjoyed our 2 nights at Elim Beach. It was one of the better trails that we drove up here. It just seemed to be a very relaxing place, really. But anyway, we headed off to see if we could do the crab track again, but it started pouring rain before we even got anywhere near it. And it was just too wet to do, so we did the Bloomfield track again in the rain. Yeah, right over at, I think it's Wudjil Falls, I'm not sure of it, but another beautiful place along the Bloomfield. Seems to be flowing pretty well. So anyway, we'll stay here for a little bit and then we'll keep on going. Pretty good day, so we'll keep moving.
From the southern fields to the northern shore, we found ourselves and a little bit more. Front diff busted, alternator fried. Fixed it all with a toolkit and pride.
Gauge low rain.
Long, steep accent in 2K.
Well, it didn't tell me to call up, did it?
No.
Call up point.
There we go.
Yeah, one four driver coming up. The Lorna hairpin.
You can probably see me. I'm just coming down now.
Oh yeah, I'll wait for you, mate.
Cheers. Yeah, it was alright. It was pretty good.
Okay. How about it? This is a hairpin up here, apparently. Holy shit. That's second gear. Let's put back to first. There we go. I'm just behind us. The road's behind us.
Wow.
It's crazy steep, isn't it? I don't know how steep it is, but it's... Yeah, you just want to bring a caravan up here, surely. Unless you're looking for trouble. Made it to the top of that bit. Look at that. We're at the Daintree River ferry crossing, just waiting for the ferry to turn up. We started the Bloomfield track today, and it was nice and shiny, and then it just got terrible. It was shocking. It was worse than the first time we did it. So I don't know. We'll have to come back again, get some better footage, and do that damn crab track. Beautiful place up here. Just need some good weather, sunshine.
The old girl grown, but she's still sore. Cape York dreaming forevermore. From the southern fields to the northern shore, we found our story. That's what we drove for.